Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to turn off notifications on Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off the notifications on Picsart, first open up the Picsart app on your phone, and after opening a Picsart app guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. Now in order to proceed to turn off notification on Picsart, at the bottom right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see the person or the profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here on the profile section of your account. And on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and again tap on the settings button on this interface, which is just above the logout button. Tap on settings, and over here guys, you can see the notifications options available for us just above the content or the web cache. Tap on notifications, and you can see the mute all notifications button at the top of the screen, and just beside it there is the toggle icon available for us. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of mute all notifications option, and you can see you'll be able to mute the notifications for 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours and 12 hours only. So similarly, choose the time until when you want to mute the notifications from Picsart, and with that being done guys, your notification from Picsart app will be turned off. And then guys, this is how to turn off notifications on Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.